this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, property location and there is some nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.2, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. You can see on the screen details like room size, bed type, room view, amenities, facilities, and reviews, etc. Next, we talk about amenities of this property. The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several rules and offers are available online for this property, along with various plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can also use the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check link in the description. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already considered this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to the channel or you have not subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming property. Thanks for watching the video till the end. So friends,